The night sky has captivated humanity for millennia, but there's a celestial phenomenon that outshines them all, the Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis, known as the Northern and Southern Lights. These ethereal displays of colour dancing across the night sky inspire awe and wonder in all who witness them. Today we understand the science behind these spectacular events. Charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's atmosphere, causing them to release light. Despite our scientific understanding, the aurora retains its mystique. Seeing the aurora is a transformative experience, connecting us to something far greater than ourselves. The Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis are most commonly seen in the high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic Circles. For those seeking the Northern Lights, countries like Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada and Alaska become prime destinations. The Southern Lights, while less accessible, hold their own allure in places like New Zealand, Australia and Antarctica. To maximize your chances of catching this breathtaking show, you need to understand the science behind the aurora and plan meticulously. This guide is your roadmap to experiencing the magic of the aurora. We'll delve into the science behind these celestial displays, explore the best locations and times to see them, and provide practical tips on how to photograph these fleeting moments of wonder. We'll navigate the complexities of solar cycles, understand the importance of the KP index, and learn how to read aurora forecasts. This guide is more than just a how-to. It's an invitation to embark on an adventure. Let's chase the lights together and unlock the secrets of these celestial wonders. Our journey begins in the north, where the Aurora Borealis paints the night sky with its celestial brushstrokes. The auroral zone, a band circling the magnetic North Pole, is where the northern lights are most frequently observed. Choosing the right location is crucial for a successful aurora hunt. Ideally, you'll want to be as far north as possible, away from light pollution and under clear, dark skies. So, pack your warmest clothes, grab your camera, and let's embark on a journey to witness the magic of the Aurora Borealis. Our first stop takes us to Scandinavia, a region renowned for its stunning landscapes and prime location for viewing the Aurora Borealis. Norway, Sweden and Finland each offer unique opportunities to witness this celestial spectacle. Tromsø in Norway, Abisko National Park in Sweden and Lapland in Finland are some of the best spots. Imagine cozying up in a traditional cabin, the Aurora Borealis illuminating the sky above you. Scandinavia offers a truly immersive aurora experience. Crossing the Atlantic, we arrive in North America, where the vast wilderness of Canada and Alaska beckons with its own brand of aurora adventure. Canada offers diverse aurora viewing experiences, from the Icefields Parkway in Alberta to Yellowknife in the Northwest Territories. Alaska, synonymous with adventure, offers some of the most remote and pristine aurora viewing locations. Fairbanks is a popular base for aurora hunting, offering a range of accommodation options and tours. North America offers a truly unforgettable aurora experience. While the Northern Lights often steal the show, the Southern Hemisphere holds its own celestial spectacle, the Aurora Australis. The auroral zone in the Southern Hemisphere encompasses parts of Antarctica, Australia, New Zealand and South America. Antarctica offers the most consistent and spectacular views, but reaching it requires significant commitment. The southern tip of New Zealand's South Island and Tasmania, Australia, offer glimpses of the Southern Lights during high solar activity. Witnessing the Southern Lights is a truly unforgettable experience. Chasing the aurora is a dance with nature. a delicate balance of timing, location, and a touch of celestial luck. The aurora often makes its grand entrance in the late evening or early morning hours. This period, known as the auroral oval's peak activity window, is when the sky is most likely to erupt in a symphony of color and light. However, the aurora is a fleeting phenomenon, appearing and disappearing as if by magic. Understanding these celestial cycles is key to maximizing your chances of witnessing this ethereal display. Just as the aurora dances to a celestial rhythm, it also favors a particular season, winter. The long, dark nights of winter provide the perfect canvas for the aurora's vibrant hues. From late September to early April in the Northern Hemisphere, and from late March to late September in the Southern Hemisphere, the auroral zones are plunged into prolonged darkness. This extended darkness is a boon for aurora chasers, providing ample opportunity to witness the celestial display. So bundle up in your warmest clothes, embrace the winter chill, and prepare to be captivated by the aurora's winter spectacle. The aurora, often described as a celestial ballet, is a dance set to the music of the sun. The sun's energy in the form of solar wind fuels this mesmerizing display. When the solar wind collides with the Earth's magnetic field, it creates a disturbance, funneling the sun's charged particles towards the Earth's poles. The intensity of the aurora is directly related to the strength of the solar wind influenced by the sun's activity. Understanding the sun's influence on the aurora is crucial for predicting its appearances and maximizing your chances of witnessing this celestial spectacle. Imagine this. You've traveled to the far reaches of the Arctic Circle, bundled up in layers of winter gear, your breath misting in the frigid air. You've patiently awaited the peak aurora, viewing hours, your eyes glued to the night sky, anticipation building with each passing moment. But there's a catch. A thick blanket of clouds obscures the celestial canvas, thwarting your aurora hunting dreams. Weather, that fickle mistress of the atmosphere, can make or break your aurora viewing experience. While we can plan our trips around the best locations and times, we're ultimately at the mercy of the elements. Clear skies are non-negotiable for aurora viewing. No matter how strong the solar activity or how ideal your location, a cloudy sky will act like a thick curtain, hiding the celestial show from view. Before embarking on your aurora hunt, it's crucial to consult weather forecasts meticulously. Look for locations and dates with a high probability of clear skies, especially during the peak aurora viewing hours. Websites and apps specifically designed for aurora chasers often provide detailed cloud cover forecasts, allowing you to plan your viewing sessions strategically. Remember, even a few scattered clouds can obstruct your view of the aurora, especially if they're positioned directly overhead. Ideally, you want a completely clear sky stretching from horizon to horizon to fully appreciate the grandeur of the aurora's celestial display. As we delve deeper into aurora hunting, we encounter a crucial tool, the KP index. Imagine it as a compass, pointing us towards auroral activity. The KP index measures the disturbance of Earth's magnetic field. It ranges from 0 to 9, indicating geomagnetic activity levels. Higher KP index means stronger auroral activity visible further south. Aim for a KP index of 4 or higher for better chances. At these levels, auroras are visible across the auroral zone. Real-time KP index updates help adjust your viewing plans. Remember, the KP index is just one piece of the puzzle. A high KP index increases chances but doesn't guarantee a show. Clear skies, dark conditions, and patience are essential. The aurora, much like a wild animal, is notoriously difficult to predict. It can appear and disappear as if by magic, its intensity ebbing and flowing with the whims of the solar wind. Thanks to advancements in space weather forecasting, we can now anticipate auroral activity with increasing accuracy. Aurora forecasting relies on data from satellites, observatories, and computer models. These tools monitor the sun's activity and predict its impact on Earth's magnetic field. This information is translated into auroral forecasts, providing insights into the likelihood of auroral activity. While forecasting has improved, the aurora remains inherently unpredictable, adding to its thrill. In the pursuit of the aurora, amidst the scientific data and meticulous planning, lies a crucial element, the human factor. Chasing the aurora is a test of patience and persistence. Imagine arriving at your chosen location, anticipation bubbling within you. You wait, eyes glued to the sky, but the aurora remains elusive. Minutes turn into hours and still no shimmering lights. Persistence is key. Don't give up hope. The longer you wait, the greater the reward when those lights finally grace the heavens. Embrace the unpredictability, savor the anticipation, and let patience guide you. Imagine standing beneath a vast star-strewn sky, the air crisp and cold, your breath misting in the moonlight. Drawn by the allure of the aurora, you venture to the far reaches of the globe. But how do you know when and where this elusive spectacle will appear? The answer lies in deciphering the subtle cues that herald the aurora's arrival. The aurora communicates its presence through subtle shifts in the atmosphere. A faint white arc across the sky, often mistaken for clouds, is a telltale sign. This arc marks the boundary between the Earth's atmosphere and charged particles from the sun. It's the canvas for the aurora's vibrant hues. As the solar wind intensifies, the arc shimmers and pulsates, hinting at the spectacle to come. Gradually, it transforms into curtains, ribbons, or rays of light. Colors intensify from pale green to vibrant emerald, sometimes tinged with pink, purple, or red. This dynamic display is the aurora in its full glory. Recognizing these signs maximizes your chances of witnessing the aurora's splendor. Train your eyes to see beyond the obvious and embrace the element of surprise. Aurora hunting is rewarding because of its surprises. In our modern world, ablaze with artificial light, darkness has become an increasingly rare and precious commodity. Yet it's in the embrace of darkness, far from the intrusive glow of city lights, that the aurora reveals its full majesty. To truly experience the magic of this celestial spectacle, we must venture into the heart of darkness, where the night sky reigns supreme. Light pollution, that pervasive glow emanating from cities, towns, and even individual streetlights, acts like a veil, obscuring the subtle beauty of the night sky. It washes out the faintest stars, diminishes the grandeur of the Milky Way, and can render even the most vibrant auroral displays pale and insignificant. To escape the clutches of light pollution, aurora chasers seek out remote locations, far from the madding crowds and the intrusive glow of civilization. Vast national parks, desolate deserts, and isolated coastlines become sanctuaries for dark sky enthusiasts, offering pristine views of the cosmos in all its glory. Websites and apps dedicated to light pollution mapping can guide you towards these havens of darkness, highlighting areas with minimal light interference. Look for locations with a Bortle dark sky scale rating of 4 or lower, indicating skies dark enough to reveal the subtle nuances of the Milky Way and provide an optimal backdrop for aurora viewing. Tools of the trade, gearing up for aurora photography. The aurora, that fleeting dance of light, begs to be captured. Its ethereal beauty preserved in photographs. But photographing the aurora is no ordinary feat. It requires specialized gear and a mastery of manual settings. A sturdy tripod is essential. Long exposure times demand stability. Use a remote shutter release or intervalometer. And don't forget extra batteries. A camera with manual controls is crucial. Set your aperture to its widest setting. Adjust your ISO to a higher setting. Experiment with shutter speed. Embrace the experimentation process. Capture your unique vision of the aurora's celestial dance. Finding your dark sky oasis. Imagine this. You've planned your Aurora adventure, consulted forecasts, and journeyed to a remote location renowned for its dark skies. You're bundled up, camera ready, anticipation building. But as you gaze up, you realize you're not alone. A distant glow threatens to wash out the aurora. Finding true darkness is increasingly challenging, but fear not, pockets of darkness still exist. These dark sky oases offer a glimpse into a time when the night sky was an untamed wilderness. Light pollution, the aurora's nemesis. Light pollution, often described as the unwelcome guest at the celestial banquet, has a knack for dimming even the most vibrant auroral displays. Imagine a delicate watercolor painting, its subtle hues washed out by a harsh spotlight. This is the effect of light pollution on the aurora. Our eyes, remarkable though they are, struggle to discern the subtle gradations of color and light that characterize the aurora when confronted with the overwhelming glare of artificial light. The faintest hues, the delicate shimmers, the intricate details, all are lost in the overwhelming glow. But light pollution's impact extends beyond aesthetics. It disrupts wildlife, interferes with astronomical research, and robs us of our connection to the cosmos. It's a stark reminder of humanity's footprint on the planet, a call to action to reclaim the darkness and preserve the beauty of the night sky for generations to come. By choosing dark sky locations, we not only enhance our aurora viewing experience, but also contribute to a global movement to raise awareness about light pollution and promote responsible lighting practices. It's a small step with a significant impact, a testament to our commitment to preserving the wonders of the night sky for ourselves and future generations. Timing is everything, navigating moonlight and twilight. Imagine this. You've found your dark sky oasis far from civilization. The KP index is soaring, skies are clear, and anticipation hangs heavy. But the moon's brilliant light threatens to outshine the aurora. Just as light pollution can diminish the aurora, so can the moon. A full moon can wash out all but the most intense auroras. Time your viewing sessions around the lunar cycle. Aim for nights with a new or crescent moon. Use lunar calendars to plan your aurora hunts. Twilight can impact aurora viewing. Aim for the darkest hours between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Section 1. Patience under the stars. We've journeyed together to the far reaches of the globe, explored the science behind the aurora's celestial dance, and armed ourselves with the knowledge to predict its appearances. But as any seasoned aurora chaser will tell you, the most crucial element in this pursuit is something that can't be quantified or predicted: patience. Imagine this. You're standing beneath a vast star-studded sky, the air crisp and cold, your breath misting in the moonlight. You've consulted the forecasts, escaped the city lights, and positioned yourself in a prime viewing location. Yet, the aurora remains elusive, its ethereal curtains of light hidden behind a veil of cosmic mystery. It's in these moments, when the cold seeps into your bones and doubt begins to cloud your mind, that patience becomes your greatest ally. The aurora, much like a shy creature, often plays hard to get. It can tease with fleeting glimpses, disappear for hours, and reappear when you least expect it. Don't despair if the sky remains stubbornly dark. Embrace the stillness, the silence, the profound beauty of a night sky untouched by artificial light. Share stories with your companions. Marvel at the constellations above. Let the vastness of the cosmos wash over you. Remember, every aurora hunt is a journey, and sometimes the greatest reward lies in the waiting. Section 2. Capturing the magic aurora photography tips. For many aurora chasers, witnessing this celestial spectacle firsthand is only half the adventure. Capturing the aurora's ethereal beauty in photographs, freezing those fleeting moments of wonder in time, becomes a pursuit in itself. But aurora photography, much like the aurora itself, requires patience, practice, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. If you're new to aurora photography, don't be intimidated by the technical aspects. Start with the basics: a sturdy tripod to combat camera shake during long exposures, a wide-angle lens to capture the vastness of the aurora, and a camera with manual controls to fine-tune your settings. Experiment with different shutter speeds, ISO settings and apertures to find what works best for the prevailing conditions. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each aurora display is unique, and capturing its essence requires adapting to its ever-changing moods. But beyond the technicalities, remember the most important element: your own creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with composition, to incorporate foreground elements, to capture the aurora's reflection in nearby water bodies. Let your imagination guide you and allow yourself to be surprised by the results. Section 3, a final word: the aurora's enduring allure. As we conclude our journey into the world of aurora hunting, one question lingers. What is it about this celestial spectacle that continues to captivate humanity? Why do we brave frigid temperatures, endure sleepless nights, and travel to the far reaches of the globe just for a glimpse of the aurora's ethereal dance? Perhaps it's the sheer beauty of the display, those vibrant curtains of light painting the night sky with otherworldly hues. Or maybe it's the aurora's unpredictable nature, its ability to appear and disappear as if by magic, that keeps us coming back for more. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain: the aurora reminds us of the vastness and mystery of the universe we inhabit. It humbles us, inspires us, and connects us to something far grander than ourselves. So embrace the adventure, chase the lights, and allow yourself to be captivated by the aurora's enduring allure. For in those fleeting moments of celestial wonder, we catch a glimpse of the universe's boundless beauty and our place within its grand design.